Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw render presets for export from DaVinci Resolve, complete guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the project you want to export. Ensure your timeline is selected. Go to the Deliver page by clicking the rocket icon at the bottom of the interface. In the Deliver settings, look for the Render Settings panel. Choose the desired format for your export from the Format drop-down menu. Next, select the codec you want to use in the codec dropdown. Adjust the resolution and frame rate settings according to your needs. If you wish to save specific settings as a preset, click on the Add to Render Queue button once you've configured your settings. Look for the Render Presets section on the Deliver page. Click on the New Preset button next to the Render Preset label. Give your new preset a name that describes its settings clearly. Select which settings you wish to save with the preset. This may include format, codec, resolution, and any additional configurations. Once everything is set, click Save. To export using your new preset, select it from the dropdown. Finally, click the Start Render button in the render queue to begin the export process. Your video will now be exported using the settings defined in your custom preset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.